In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Shopify password to unlock your store. This is the password that visitors sometimes see on a coming soon or store is locked page. If you're working with clients, collaborators, or testing your store before launch, knowing exactly where this password lives and how to change it is really important. I'll walk you through it step by step, and by the end, you'll know how to find it and customize it whenever you need. First, log into your Shopify account and go to your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home screen you see right after logging in, where you can view orders, products, analytics, and other store information. Make sure you're in the correct store if you manage more than one, because the password is specific to each individual store. From the dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Online Store. This is where you manage everything related to your storefront, including themes, blog posts, navigation, and preferences. Once you click Online Store, a submenu will expand underneath it. In that submenu, click on Preferences. The Preferences page controls a few important settings related to your online store, such as your homepage title and meta description, tracking settings, and most importantly for this video, the password protection options. Scroll down the Preferences page until you find the section called Password Protection. This is the area that controls whether your store is locked behind a password or publicly accessible. Here, you'll see a checkbox or toggle that indicates if password protection is enabled, and you'll also see the current password field. This is the password people must enter to access your storefront when it's locked. If you only needed to find the password, you can simply read it from this field and share it with whoever needs access, such as a designer, developer, or teammate. Just remember to share it securely and avoid posting it publicly. If you want to change the password, click inside the password field, delete the existing one, and type in a new password. Choose something that's easy enough for you to remember, but not so simple that anyone can guess it. Below the password field, you may also see a message box where you can add a note that visitors see on the password page, explaining why the store is locked. Once you've entered your new password and adjusted any message you want to show, scroll to the bottom or top of the page and click Save. Shopify will update your settings, and your new password will take effect immediately. Anyone trying to access your locked store from now on will need to use this update